Let's go.
Afidie. I'll say you are dopa. So.
Now I'm saying I say me dopa.
Ah. We are dopa. Ajay. Ajay.
You come. Let me be some sense into his brain. Or therefore, he is your brother. Blood does not fight blood.
Sajay is no brother. He's a bastard. Yeah. He's your brother, please. Leave us to kill him.
Tell him so you pay my own. Pay me. Now be the whole cell bill. What's on your pay? Bro, the penalty me from walk. Yeah. Oh, this case cannot be solved this week. You come.
Will you shut up?
Aden.
Na mummy and mobile suit and some of a shame queen.
Or a bema.
Some man did yet, no more yam.
Hey, what about you?
Who you free heifer? Who put you a single?
Don't talk. Come on, don't talk.
Sir, you want to say an army. I'll be champagne and quaba.
This family of ours has always been peaceful. Petty squabbles and misunderstandings will not help us. And I will never condone with such embarrassments. AJ, your brother and sisters complain that you have possessed the whole farmland left by your father. Abu Sepani, that is not true. They are lazy. They refuse to work. And how do they expect to eat when they won't weed or sow? You're not near Pamhe, huh? You're not near Pamhe. About fast as a papanina. Oh, so now I have taken the best part of the land, not all the land. I will say a penny. A general canning and no cray. The agents one are canning and no cray. A day or two more to sit for. And then umpo. Or to say preco quasia or did fufu. Jimmy for ideas as my episode of Fenina. Befa. Ajua, Frema, please. If we keep shouting at each other, we will have no peace. Ajay, is the accusation true? Abu Zempeni, Obrefo and my sisters are envious of me. Aputo, I am farming on my part of the land. And I work very hard. none of them want to work. And if you are lazy, you mustn't eat.
Watch your mouth again. Watch your mouth.
And you better watch where you are pointing that finger of yours.
Your tempers are just too high. When everyone has calmed down, we will meet again to settle matters. Please, go home.
Hey, Adrian.
Oh, you're welcome.
Those fools want me to feed them. Do they know how I have suffered over the years? Do they know?
AJ, I want you to reason with me. Look, we have enough food on our farm to feed 10 times the people of this village.
That is not the case, Acha. That is not the case.
AJ, please be patient. Please. I know what I'm talking about. Please.
Abba. 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 Abba.
Therefore, what are you doing here so early?
I have come to see you.
It is too early.
Or is there someone with you?
What do you take me for?
Okay. I am here. I have come to see my talent.
Okay, I understand what you mean. My mother has gone to the farm. Let's do it quickly.
Okay.
Mira. Mekwabo.
Yo, Encho.
Menchava Sisia.
I am here to demand our portion of the fertile farmland.
What is wrong with you people at all?
We just want what is rightfully ours.
The land is big, and every portion is fertile.
We are not fools.
Leave this place before I send you away in pieces. You two women and my brother of breath are a bunch of lazy bones!
Hey! Train.
Quadrufour.
Monsieur Demehu.
Ediasem.
Frema and I came here yesterday. Where were you? Ajay is still refusing to give us a portion of the fertile land. What hurt me most is he's calling us lazy fellows.
Ajay, what did you tell Ajua?
What I've always been telling you people. That you are not going to enjoy anything from my farm. You are a bunch of lazy fellows.
If that is the only way to be free of him,
It's your brother.
let me kill him!
He's your brother. Look here, you barren woman. Know that as from today we are at war.
I will not have you talk to my wife like that. Get out.
What did he?
Get out!
Wait.
Hey, your breath for. Whoa, Papa. I was expecting you to teach that small brother of ours a lesson.
There will always be another day. Just remain calm.
That is what you always say. And another day never comes.
I, Obrefo, says there will be another day.
Let that day come quickly because you are losing patience. Right now, there is no food in the house.
Now, by then, I want to know, I want you.
Sir. I don't know what you know.
I will think of something. Frema, please come and massage me.
When we want you to finish with Jane, so that we get ownership of the land, you want to be massaged. Or peseme, me meow. Or CSM.
Ajua, then you massage me.
So what are we going to do?
So I just say, oh my friend, you're not from who? What are you getting? Yeah, Cassava Coffee, every phone.
Mommy.
Abba.
And now comes you.
And mommy me call.
Trust me, no one come. Abba. Sa ben me. Da ben oba be your one dear. Me dem who is over down keke. Abranti no oba down keke. Hwe be me tifie duru. Enche bia me be kwa akura. Ansa me kono. Me hia me nananom. Me hia bema odi mu bema opebre. No no wa wo me nananom ama me. Wonim so papa wugya ye ohia bubro. Se me nsuro me kampo a. Ekurom ha ye we. Se ka ho fefo ma ho fefo e wo kurom ha. Aba una odi kan. Adentina udi sa be me makwadufu ye chi.
Ah, mommy. Osise busumi so ba be ye me ho ade.
Ebo. Busumu dudu sen. Ena odi na no aka so ba be ye ho ade a abesin kwa o ma ye. Ya se mra ye o mu nyina o ma ye. Me na ni ye na me po. Ni ye mo keke ena me pe. Hwe me na ma me ngan kire. Me bom paye. Sama ho ntichima. Ma uhu entichima. Yo. Ni ye mo na me pe. Se nyame ya adom. Na sa de pachi anya. Nyane me.
Look at that fool. She thinks she's the only one to enjoy the fruits of the land. Ah, Frema. As for me, I don't have time for her now. Let's teach her a lesson. No. Let her say something, then we can discipline her. Move aside so we can pass. Hey. When you hear me, you can't come make no problem.
The Jana Sema.
Ah, I want to be too banty go ahead. Nanyawa, Namia and my bathroom. And I got no quano. Today, what is uncle? The Janny Diamako. I do how I can come. She said,
Today you were not lovely at all. I hope I some kakra.
Obrefo, when do you intend marrying me?
Oh, as for you and this question, when the season is right, the new moon will soon come and we become husband and wife.
I don't believe you. My mother is asking questions. So many new moons have passed, and she has realized that you are not serious.
Oh, just be patient and you'll see. Uni bibi, se no, pese masku to be a damn mini anthem. Mississippi.
But this thing has been going on for 3 years now.
Oh, a tubetra and chippy a tubetra. So what? In good jam can cry. Some coffee, you couldn't see part of you. What is wrong? What have those fools done this time? Acha, did they attack you?
They just came to harvest some crops from the farm.
What? They did what? Opani, unko na wa. Unu say, miniminu na asem no, ekona na himfi.
Ebio. Nenya nanu ya na na ka asem asem yi, akoye busuasem. Enti obefra mu, na wasiesie.
Sasem we die. Yenti mika na busasem mo da. Opani miteja unim bibi. Me pese wurure mu mame na me dibim.
Eyi.
Shade. Ubetimi aboa me. Ubeboa me.
Wait. Abedi. Where are you?
Go.
Ja bibia ma wa hin. Bibia be yi.
Frema, you Johnny be mommy.
What were you doing on my farm? I have told you my sweat will not feed you. This is the last time I will hear you have taken anything from my farm.
Look at another one too.
How is my food?
You eat stones.
You don't do any work. Yet, you are never around when we need your help. Where have you been?
Jen just left here. He has said that you have been harvesting food from his farm.
I say, get me some food.
Won't you go and face him?
When I took the action the last time, did you massage my aching muscles? Go and fight him yourself.
That is not the issue.
Then what is the issue? If you want me to do something, then I have. I have reported the matter to Nana, and we will be caught. Now, can I get my food?
You keep on taking the herbs. Things will be okay.
I believe so, AJ. But the way your sisters talk to me, I feel so useless.
Echa, that is nonsense. What do they know about children? Do they even have husbands, let alone children? Don't bother your head over simple minds. You keep on taking the herbs, and Odomankoma will smile on us soon. Teacher, I'll be going to meet the traditional council. Obrefo has made some allegations against me. And I've been called to defend myself.
More trouble.
Obrefo. Don't worry. Things will be alright.
Therefore, me pese me kasa kakra. The penifo ahia Ebsa sema ye ba beka ne nei. Enye ne ene de di kan aye de transase musi so. Ya transe aka. Ensiaga. Therefore, some can chamo say. And then da twato aye transase musi so. Obrefo kasa.
Therefore, in penifo. Ochame, tinento na say. Eje ogina hoyi. O sisifo. And he say assassin baby asade wo no. Ho na wofa. And what baby untimi mpo no, untimi enua so Genesis 20 fifi. And what am I?
Nana, no asim bisan kakra. O pa chese assassin baby ho no ma. Jene crowd ya ron so enye yi. Na mi bisaw. E de be na fifi e wo sa assassin so.
Emfuye ene enua nko a.
Efuye ene nua. Efuye ene nua. Eto pesa o kire ye ne ye hia no se. Eye wo ne nua no mo mai. Mo tibi enye sa assassin so adwuma. Na dachi bi no. Monya so adidi. Mamram kakra. Mamram. Se wasiesi asasi so amenuane na ba. Wo nyina wo ho kwanse wo didi so bi. Na me de ka me kwa amadwen a. Anka brafo ana o yapani awanuanum nyina mu. Eto na ka se de sa de nyina se ne sa. Mitijai. Mitijai. Ada na otwetwe asem we na kwachirisa. Obrefo ne ebusa no. Se sasase no. Otimi ni nua ma no. Enye so adwuma. Ajay. Kasa. Menti.
Nana, if you don't cultivate the land, will it grow food for you?
No.
I work hard. Very hard to make that land productive.
Enti se usiesie asase bi so na de aduane ba na se wonuanum di bia bone.
Nana, should they should be willing to help me or cultivate their own. As for me, I say if you won't sweat, then don't blame the land. And look at them. They are lazy.
Stop, all of you. Stop it. Ochami, I will not countenance any insubordination at my court.
Obrefo, sheye pa. Enti sa odwan fika ba ko ni fo tie de na obetwa. Sheye pa. Empanimfo. Na na be kasa. Odefo, kasa.
I think I have to give my verdict.
Yeah.
The court decided long ago, when this case came before us, that we would prefer a family settlement.
Yeah.
But since that has not happened, this is the decision.
Yeah.
Obrefo, Frima, and Ajua, you have no business in trying to live off the sweat of a hard-working man as your brother.
Yeah.
If there are trees and bush on the other part of the land which you call useless, it means that land is fertile.
Yeah.
What prevents you from cultivating it? From today, none of you should be seen on Ajay's farm without authority from him.
Yeah.
If you go against this decision, you will regret it.
Yeah.
And the highest punishment put on you.
Yeah.
Ajay, you deserve compensation for your time wasted.
Oh, yeah. Nana, I don't want any compensation. Your wise judgment is enough. Thank you.
Now that the matter is settled, let peace prevail.
Yeah.
Nana, I'll take leave.
Debbie. I know my brother bribed the council. He bribed them.
Well, you see, Nana has given his verdict, and we can't go against it.
What about you saying? I mean, what do you mean by that?
Are you planning to go against the verdict of the council?
How do you expect us to survive now? How?
As I say, it's me to tell you some call for more. See a pet. Yes, I can find it.
Sir? Sir, Pepe.
Now, as I say to me, a journey a bit true and answer. Journey. Oh, bunch of two.
I don't like this whole idea. I don't like it. I don't think I am fool.
Say anything. Anything. What's about me? I would dear. I don't know.
It is certain. Will you follow my plan? But after my brother Ajay, I will bid my time and deal with him later.
Munshani papa. Munni muntira.
My husband.
It is now settled. Those lazy people will not trouble us anymore. In fact, they are not to be seen even looking at our farm. Why do you look sad?
But what are they going to eat?
Echan, I fail to understand you. These are the people who have threatened you time and time again, and you still think they should benefit from your hard work?
They are your family, your blood.
I don't associate with bad bloods. Look, we can talk about this later. Get me some food to eat.
Achan.
I don't think I'll be able to go for food from the farm this evening. Can you do that?
Yes. Please go and wash down while I prepare your food.
What? Why?
Let's say what you say, you mommy. Let's shut. Let Sunny.
Someone can stand up on you.
I said,
Jimmy Demano, South San, a boss said you are. What are you doing?
oh, let's say what you say, me, me, I'm a family. Let's jump and then mamma crying, or jump the see me crying.
Shadow Kika. Someone knew no one from Sika Am Memia. A summer betono, umpe. No fire in your hand here and call Pickens Murphy.
Openyi, me who are crying muda.
Meaning baby, I'm in your bonnet for men's room, in your bonnet for the 2 coin and tea bread. So, I'm sugar cranum, your trauma country or so.
Oh, what day? Penny Patchot Nas, me by Monsi, why? Maybe.
Mika sensu nkwa.
Eja, wo se wanante abre. Wo san to aso eno so ye kwantintin ka wo didi kakra ansa wo to aso anke.
Echa.
Eja.
Obawo wate.
Jampacho mi oboni.
Echa me sha obose. Obawo npa titi. Obabu akro yi ene emu nipa nyina enko.
Mira fasi wana pete rado. Hey Ajua, mami nkan. Na wa hwe se na baye yesie aya kese e dia besha.
Hono wa chan ya no fu se na ni ate. Ho de bayira besia. Som yanko.
Ye mon payo. Wa me chi ye wa.
Na de obrafo bedidi.
Nye se wokin. Esie, nya me so yemu.
Opakasa na akwa.
Ajua.
Ediase.
Na na asemi wudwene ho se.
Akasa no ma okwa akwa ba me bechi yen. Alright.
Cha, pa chowai. Eso. Cha, eso huya mobo. Eso wai. Cha, eso huya mobo. Sasa mi de mema na nanti. Isanki ye wu.
Cha eso. Shoduma kuma ni mwai.
Ate. Ye dia ni dia sesa. Nko yi binka ho. I'm sorry. Nenko said de mu ya ne se mo beba abebusa me. Na me so mebusa mi kunu. Obeka se duane wa mo befa. Anya duane. Ha? Amunye se bi wate. Somna me mbo amuna mo. Munti se. Kama ba ko danu ho ayibla. Ona beswa. Hey, Ramona me. Kwada. Ani afie kwani.
Adase.
Oh, yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hey, Eriase.
I see you ready.
What did you say? I can't share, Jay.
We just have to wait and see. I pray she doesn't, because it will get to Nana and we'll be in big trouble.
I pray a child does not say a word.
What has a child done now?
Something good. She's the one allowing us to have us cross off the farm after catching us the last time.
So what? We are rightfully enjoying our heritage. I don't want to hear such nonsense again.
Because if she doesn't tell AJ, we have to be grateful.
For what?
The goodness she may be showing us.
Aha! Samumi no mukasa na mtipa me. Huh? A confitai. Any the empire so da. See some. What the man from Sanka Mamangu no?
Eh, obrafo.
Edene hanu.
What panini?
Awo.
Where no? What you say? Me chilasa wa fair furo. Nyame kaya na what ye?
Awo. Ujidi.
Ah, abesi wa met me about fear have a town to. Shasa Danida, Ubebeno. Not self for my Juma Dano. A bayan come on into so.
You mati.
Nah, a bayan punk come an ninja. What a ye?
Mati awo. Awo mati.
Yo.
What do you want here?
We have come to visit a child.
You what?
We have come to visit a child. Where is she?
Hey! Did you know why I met my Yamawana? Oh! A child. Oh! A child.
Therefore, now that you've settled the case with your brother, will you marry me?
You just don't rush into marriage like that. One has to take time.
Ah, Obrefo, what are you saying? You've had all the time you want. I can't wait any longer.
Hey! some me fie hebium. Man catch us and 2 nights see fie hebium. And me ya odi be sami ba no fie han man nye ho. Wonnim se krom ha mamre e bresa ade no. Mami kan show. So ba be ya me ba no ho ade a be ya ne tentem se nye sa na se be me bi di nsefufuo ba. Man china me de me ba na ama no. And see fie hebium. And see fie ha hebium. Ha aba wo nyama bebe ya be sen. Be se wonte.
Bra papa. Kaka. Be. Ready. What do you mean dance? Why?
Nice. You can't know some that was with the why am I?
Oh, that's say. What did I say?
Hey. I do want to jump on a ban.
Hey, what do you have to put in a share? Wait. I go. A channel to say, I don't want to swear. That the animal found quite.
Oh, eh. Baby,
yes, you baby, and I have you there to say, you found quite.
Oh, stay child, that's it.
Wait. And yet,
no more by you.
No.
And actually, I will see you.
Yo, I depend you.
Hey! Wonders shall never end. Today, my sisters are serving you. Why? I want some.
Would it be a
no, we are no one.
A real senior one.
Now, it's saying, I feel it.
Boko.
I love you.
Are you satisfied?
Can't you tell from the way I am lying down?
That is all you want from me. But you don't want me for a wife.
Oh, not again.
My mother has started inviting men to her hut for consultations. Oh,
Abba. Miss Sawada. But I catch your mama say, "Oh, my America cry." Oh, Abba. Abba. Oh.
Hey, you haven't washed your hands.
Someone person money me bedi di dia. And then for me dia mama. Frema, me do anyway.
I don't think you want to eat this food. This food is from a child, the woman you call evil.
Mon for me dia mama.
This food is enough for two. If you want to eat, go and ask a child for your share or start farming. No one is your slave in this house.
Chim, you don't obey your chim. Meowani, chim, be quack. Meowani, chim, you don't obey your chim, chim, meowani, chim, be quack. Meowani, chim, you don't obey, chim. Chim no be kwa kwa you don't chim me wani chim you don't
What is the matter?
Aja is dead.
Wait! Aja! Wait!
What is going on?
Aja is dead.
Better people have died before her. I will not waste my tears on that witch. I'll put her.
Joa.
Ejay. Aba friend dey betumi ahwe no. Na once wo hia obi a, obechiche wo re. Mechire oba.
Menyini se menye obi o te se chada.
Hey, mini abema. Ba ko eya wo. Afa wunnem. Aba friend dey jani mayen Yenya kasa betimi ahwe no.
Se mo amunim se krum ha no. Ana ye me din se me ne mu man be kasa.
Would you jam my yankasa? Jai my yen. Yenya, ever share or bad in amount.
So be pempo dear.
As for me, I am tired of your questions. If you can't wait, you can go. I told there are many women in this village. Why don't you go and marry my brother AJ? His wife has just died.
Are you serious? Is it a crime to ask you to marry me?
Hey, what for? Are you always going to be angry with the world?
What I do does not concern you. Why is Ajua?
She's at her Jay's heart helping to look after the baby.
Hey! As for you two women, I think you are mad. Eh? I nearly got into trouble because of that man, and now you worship the grass he was on. You have now become his wives. I hope you're not warming him in bed too.
Hey! Obrefo, why would we commit such an abomination? It's our duty to help our brother. When he gets a new wife, we won't need to go there.
Who is he going to marry?
What is it to you?
I am only curious.
He has no one in mind.
I see.
Do you have someone in mind?
Me. And I'm in Obama no worry. I've put her. So what a punch you and from home.
Hey, where are you going? Come back here.
I am sorry if I offended you earlier. But you have to understand that I am under much pressure.
Is that what you've come to tell me?
Listen, I have a plan. I wanted to marry my brother AJ.
Are you crazy? So you meant it when you said so earlier on?
I say I have a plan.
I don't care about what you have. You are saying the same thing my mother said this evening. Both of you has gone mad.
Oh. Be patient and listen.
You listen. Firstly, I don't love him, and I don't fancy marrying a widower.
I know you love me. But the man is one of the richest in this village.
So what?
After you have married him, we will take care of him, and then I will marry you. Do you know what that means?
But there is one problem. I'm pregnant.
How?
Just ask me that silly question.
Okay, let me think. Yes! It won't change anything. We must get you to marry him quickly. Tell you.
Abba, why are you drinking ye?
Mommy, send me a man who are tower, Mewari no.
Aha. And you bema me who ato me. The bema wo who ato wo na me hwehwe.
Ma me se me ware no.
Emmo. Anu anam pe.
Aba.
Anu anam pe.
Aba.
Hey. I don't open here. I didn't open here. Man can't just me fear hebium. Man can't throw some me if you have hebium. Try me can't throw. Me baba no. Me no ma wunye je. Awaria. Et me fear hebium. Baby alpha my no. Fa hokwa ma onai mo to and some madame de show. What that's with Jaco. Kwa you fu kwa you fu kwa na pa no why I did na sana me no kan na what yanko I did na yanko ai awu abba yanko
Ajay, I have found someone for you. Have you forgotten about what we discussed the last time?
Frima, why him say Sunny Mano? Many nye ho.
Anyway, there was someone when you home. If you send him, I'm baby home.
Who is this girl?
She's the daughter of Auntie Mabena, or say your widow. I'm sure you remember her.
Yes, I do. But why would she want her daughter to marry me?
Because she knows you are a good man. As for me, I told her you will agree. So the way is open for you to send a diary. In fact, when we get home, I will go straight to see her. And we will arrange for the marriage to be held immediately. I can't wait for another man to graduate.
Hey! Haba! I will be marrying her, not you. So leave me to make my choice.
The choice has already been made.
Frima, if I had been told that we'll be so close again, I would have doubted. But here we are today. I appreciate everything that you and Ajua have done for me.
It's our duty as brother and sister. Our only problem is our breath.
As for him, he's a wild horse. But I keep praying that he will see reason one day. Anyway, pray that your choice of wife for me is a good one, because I am accepting it.
Where dear, dear, here say a twane and Safufoni Tunkun said,
Sir.
When I go to your brother's house, you will not be able to see me.
What do you mean?
Will you come to see me in our bedroom?
We will find a way. Eh?
How? You are not even on good terms with AJ. And you want to enter into his heart?
I say we will find a way. Eh? I must water what I've planted. We will continue to meet at our usual places. Eh?
Okay.
I love you. Love you.
Ago.
Amen.
Ago. Amen. Yedia yebegu nana no nsa kakra. Agene aba awari nti na ye wa ha. Otwede amponsa o. Yeah. Asase ya nsa. Yeah. Abosoma mo twe ehu asie nyina amagye nsa no. Yeah. Onipa bonefo a eka nanko na ka agene aba awari no. Odi ani bone ebedi won achi ama awari na sadia. Eno no ebusofo. Mo bia no kwa no ha o.
Efe.
Aya jeni maamenom ajeni adia ode ema aba eni
Efe.
Aba, the busia for dia benio.
Yo, masom, vidase. Aba, PSC, dan wani na me no nkasa. Enne fi enne ko. Wo ya je yire. Misraw. Oba wo kwa aware. Bro nwase. Aware wo kwei emme kwam no kru da biara da. Manfa sa bia nya papa. Misraw. Emfa ho nkame wo kunu.
Sa.
Di wo kunu beka sa ye ne yema no. Eje ka sa da dama no. Misraw ya ho brase bebre. Oba pa ne ni onim ne kunu yem kom. Ni samti me ka biom o e mai kom ne wo kunu. Misraw. Afei. Eje e wa dia. Eya wo dia. Enti eje wo baba ko. Aba misraw. Bomodia so be fa kula na ya uba. Bomodia so be kro kula na se na obe kro ye from wa de.
Oba wa no
So you obi de yi a. E na wo so de be ye yi. Na so fa je ba de ne ya uba. E je so ani betu hu bebre. Fra kula na se me be. Na kula no so nyi so se ma me. Aba misra wo. Anya je nkwan so na wo kwa ware. Wa kuma fo nyina wa sa wo de buo ma o mo kra. Wa se no mo.
Sa.
Abusuafo nyinara. Na so obi sori waka say eje yire de. Misro ko ya hobrase. Ahobrase me ya. Me de ware papa. Me de awu na dey afata say won so ware no. Misro say ko yes ahobrase ni bi. Wate? Bra, so mo mame. Afi oreje. Aso konofo. Mi amase. Misro bomodia na jitata bra ha mame.
Ebememu.
Sa na ye no se dum mra bia oba wo gya wabusua ene abusua foforo bi ekoka bom na ne sa ada no aye mia me baba aba sori piesie makoma mu tofe se ma ngo hwe eje ene de mia no ma wo me baba ene ma to me bu ane ma tete no ene na mayi makoma e de otwe de aponyankopon e de eta ho e de aba maw so ba ene okuno wanu sha
Yo, abane sadi anafe ni je na aba. Ye ba tutu mi na fe, ya je ni.
are you doing here?
I have come to see you.
This is not the right time, Obrefo.
By for Banoniana.
Can you ever saw can't tell me free?
Sister, no way for me. Huh? Does he do it better than me? Anyway, I hope you have not forgotten our deal.
Obrefo, if my husband died.
Ajay.
Say Jay Wua. Who knows about Casaminam Kuno? I didn't have a son in many of you.
When the time is right, eh? Use this.
You're quite. Okay, but you can't stay long.
Hey.
Your mama.
Yeah, Nia.
Papa, that phone today.
You in here? You didn't watch why?
Yeah.
AJ. Who near me? Who near Casapebian control?
Hey. Omi Mabusia. You won't really be brave why you biddy. What how ne say?
Yes, sorry, yeah, Juma, yeah. Omum Pedjuma. Ya no mumedi.
Kasa. Me nua mamu na gina machi. Efi mra me yire wuye. Omo aso na de wo mame. So be kaya. Ti enyi mu boni aye.
Momo akwadwefo. Omum Pedjuma. Omo do ana aye den. Omo do aye chi.
Next time, I will tell her my mind.
For me, I say don't talk.
It is time for you two to marry, so that you can stop fighting other women for their husbands.
This has nothing to do with another man.
And more how to say?
Isn't it Saba, Ajay's wife?
What has she done?
She had the audacity not to greet us when we met on the farm. She doesn't know who she's joking with.
Is that all?
She has also squeezed her face.
Ochia, when was a phone a yenikudia?
Sana, who can't share ye?
No great trudo.
Kwasiyasem. You will see where your food will come from today.
Abba.
Aji.
Abba.
Aji.
What is it?
Aji.
Let me see.
Aji.
Oh, Abba.
Aji.
Abba.
Aji.
Kafra. Abba. Sorry.
Achi.
Kafra, why? Kafra. Oh. Sorry. Abba, are you pregnant? Huh? Abba, when were you going to tell me?
I wanted to wait to a point when it would be impossible to hide.
I have found out. You must stop doing hard work from now onwards. I'm glad. Beckham will soon have a brother or a sister. Oh, I'm glad. Thank you very much, Abba. Thank you. Let's go inside, man.
Okay.
Let's go inside. Why didn't you come tonight?
My husband is home.
Say crowd. Now kasa na mi crew. When are you going to finish him off?
Why are you so impatient? I'll do it on the new moon.
That's too far from now.
So you know the time between 2 new moons? Don't you dare.
It seems you are forgetting why I agreed for you to marry my brother.
Whether I'm married to you or him, I have what I want.
Can't I touch my own child? Abba.
Yes?
Abba. What are you doing outside alone? Huh? It is not safe. Come with me. Let's go.
Mommy.
What about Ukramane?
Mommy. Some catch and there's some case a pan of a boo.
Hey, Abba. Shani you. As a crotch, a man sat to you moi. No one therefore. And once inside the Ewa Hoda. Obet me how a brebia.
What do you want here? Get off my farm!
Do you have a farm?
It is my husband's farm.
And it is our family land too.
I don't care. Leave this place.
Hey, Adwa, please leave her alone. She's pregnant. Please.
Bonka, utu su edware. Utine.
What are you looking at?
Her once beautiful face, which has become so ugly.
Hey, Frema, why are you fuming?
I think you should ask your wife. She's really getting on our nerves. She's preventing us from harvesting crops from the farm. On top of that, she struck her jaw with a stick the last time.
Oh! Me need Becca say why? Ma bibia told you. Why?
Mati?
You went here, Ebishia.
Obrefo, this situation cannot go on forever. What is it at all that can make you hate your brother so much? As for land, no one was born with it. I'm prepared to cut a piece of mine for you.
Opinion. What hurts me is that he is my junior brother. So he should not show me such disrespect by calling me insulting names. If anything, he has rather shown that he doesn't want any reconciliation.
I want us to have a final meeting on this issue. Do you agree?
Abba, I think that settles it. I have given them the permission to harvest from the farm. So there is no need to quarrel. I have to go and see Abu Sepani. I won't take long. Come here.
Abba.
As for you, you always come at the wrong time.
This is the right time because your husband is not at home. I want you to do it tonight. Kill him this evening.
What are you shouting for? Obrefo, what are you shouting for? I won't kill him. Minkuno Tong.
Oh, I know you will do it in your own time. Eh? I'm so sorry for the pressure I'm putting on you, Abba.
Obrefo, leave me alone. If you dare come here again, if my husband comes, I will tell him.
Please, Abba. Please.
All right, so as I was saying, since your father died,
oh, now wait up a deal.
How you feel?
it's my fault. Ajay, I should have told you who you were coming to meet here.
Openi. And I'm a buam woman.
I called the two of you here so that we bury the land dispute once and for all.
I agree. Once it doesn't mean my giving up ownership of the portion I have toiled so much to make productive.
Masam Yinan say, Assassino, Yanchan Fofro, we must reshare the land.
Say, say, Assassino Sankan there. You know your problem in particular is laziness.
Opani, so Sadimatembium.
Please.
So
please.
My sisters now work on the farm, and I allow them to harvest from the farm. And if I am not lying, he eats from the same harvest.
Me, I will never.
Oh, Obrefo. So you are already enjoying from your brother?
Opanimi, did you ask me to come here to be humiliated? Did you ask me to come here to be humiliated? Did you ask me to come here to be humiliated? I will not sit down to be ridiculed. Ajay, you must know that we are still at war.
You see that? You see?
Opanimi, I have come for my gold.
Sikaben. Sikalo what the mom said. Minko jira wechi and kasem. Asem no so be kan ya na ye na anye. It be nisika bi adema.
Share. Opanimi, no one messes up with me or Brefo in this village and goes free. I am giving you up to tomorrow morning. If I don't get my gold, mark my words, I will kill you.
Obrefo, you spend all your time spying on me. Men can't show sense here, you. Mamma can't show Nena Tom once is a mawari. Me domicunu. Mimpo bium. Namim kumikunu so mauda.
What are some aba? Assembly.
Obrefo na se wakoto abamu na no. Hey! Hey! Obimro! Mabna! Obimro! Mabna!
Kusume wajana kwa kusume wajana kwa kusume wajana kwe
I want him brought to me.
Yeah.
I want him brought to me dead or alive.
Yeah.
This abomination will not stand.
Yeah.
Tamai! 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 Wana kusume! Wajana kwe!
Why Bonnie Papa?
Papa.
Hey. Nana.
You can't go with them.
Nana.
No. You are his brother. He has offended you. You will shed his blood.
Nana, Obrefo is a great warrior with his staff and spear. I may be of good use if I go to her.
Swear to me you will not shed his blood.
I swear the great oath of the stool.
Now, go and bring me Obrefo.
Obrefo! Sorry, I'll say Aputo. Surrender!
I will fight till death!
Yeah!
Obrafo. Etu di asem bia ba be kwa wu a age sekraw. Nanim se ni mu antimi wa etete wontuma. Menyini se sa asem we obetumi ayi hu afrim totroto da biara da. Wodi fa na so de bem. Hwe so hwe manim to. O hwe manim so dwan no. Onkasa. Onkasa. O cholege. Onkasa. Therefore, oso onkasa dia bu asem no. No obi o bibi pa se oye no. Onko no nkonkwaye.
Sabe ka de credit wa. Obejimi adi.
Ka wanu tum wo ho. Ka wanu tum wo ho. Nukwa be na ka na maju adie. Munatu ni dabraba ni etese wo kokosa ni be ma etese wo. Bibia nkume so di saboni we se wie no no adwane enwuram srodo anya ma fa da woroma ene be chew man ya se ka adwane
na ne mpanimfo me koto no fili se ogudwumadie no so
me ti jai na wo samro na wo yeden ho
na me kwaje ho akwaje bayiri tire ni bi akodua eti be kwa mi duru akire ho no na me te sa aba ajei okumyo obimro oprami na me bi ka me ko ho me ko ya oja fola ogusu a obodwumai obodwa
a obodie bi adwuma
ode ne na ba akwato ade ba akwato a na o se entam ana okude
emususem oba onyim na unim se obem na pon
obrafo unye wone ne nka wonne fa esi ha ena asem ekina asem na samre na wo yeden e wo fie ho ana na yira ba no ena na pese okoto no mo na nana asem na kasa no Abuawi, no crana daddy awie dada. So penny bi obi bi so be kan so dia otimeka.
Asotwe a efata no e na ese de ma no.
Obrefo, you have committed abomination in this matter.
Yeah.
You will be banished immediately.
Yeah.
Take him away.
Abrafo, mumfa no ko.
Mami. Let's go. Move.
Abba, I will never forget what you have done to me.
Hey, Jay, what is wrong with you?
I'm all right. I'm okay.
Are you sure you're all right?
It's just a bad dream. Don't worry, I'm fine.
Push out!
Oni anwodin osokwa. Sonai. Hey, sonai.
Back to form.
Sorry. Mama, me akwenye de be na unda de ahwe wi. Come on. No, Jano nya ho bia. No. Ade ahwe. Come on, go.
If you had won, she would have been with you. This is the third time your brother has beaten me. But there will be no fourth time. Next time, I'll put his back to the ground. Let's go.
Oh, Bedu, see, I am very... See ya.
Bacon. You what Jenny?
Oh, have I said something wrong? Oh, don't mind him. Oh, please.
Hey! You don't.
Brinya.
Don't mind her. Is she the only beautiful girl in this village? I don't know your band.
You know the answer.
I think it's time for you to defend your title. Look, let's go, let's go.
Where have you been? Your father has been asking for you.
Hey, Osei. Why haven't you brought the foodstuffs from the farm? When I talk to you, you never listen. Unlike your brother Bacon, you better change your character. Come on, go and get a basket and go to the farm immediately. Get the basket. Yeah, Shenipa.
Why are you always picking on Osei? What about Bacon? Where is he?
I gave Bacon his work, and he has finished. Couldn't Osei have done the same?
So Bacon should be wrestling. Whilst Osei does all the work in this house.
That is not it. You know Osei has become lazy. He doesn't do what I tell him. And you support him for that?
For some time now, you've been showing more affection to Bacon. If you don't change your attitude, our sons will begin to hate each other.
Osei, you moan.
Osei, let's go. Please, if you want to follow her, go. Leave me out of it.
She's going to the river to take her bath. Don't you want to see her naked today? Osei. Osei, out with it. What is worrying you?
I don't like the way my father is always shouting on me. He doesn't shout on Beku like that.
Are you now seeing for yourself? I have always told you Openeje loves Beku more than you. You better be smart.
How do I get my father to also appreciate me?
Let's go. She'll be battling by now.
Beku.
Papa.
I am telling you this because I will make you my heir. You are the eldest and the most responsible of my children. So, you deserve most of my property. I'll give the whole farm to you.
Thank you very much, Papa. I hear, but what will you give to Osei and Mommy?
I will make other arrangements for them. Beku.
Papa.
Keep whatever I have told you to heart. Don't tell anyone. Not even your mother. You may go to bed.
Thank you very much, Papa, and good night.
Good night.
Afie de enobaya bapa. Ti minim se mu de aduane bebre bebe fie.
Amuza afi we de ya adwuma pa o.
Modo pa enso memeka. Beku. Me hu se body abri bisi ho nkotwa mawai.
Wei.
Body form ho.
Mami nkotwa mrai.
DABI emodu. Beku mpa cha okofitwa bra wai.
Okay, mami.
Osei. I want you to listen to me very carefully. Beku is your half-brother. His mother died at his birth. Last night, I overheard your father say that he will give more than half of his properties to him.
Why?
I can't tell, but you know Beku is his favorite.
Mommy, what do I do now?
Who dey kwa fumbra? Oba e beka ho asem. Why? Kobra.
You, Kwaba.
Aya adwuma yi na hwe ho si ye why?
Yo.
AJ. AJ.
Hey.
Hi.
Yeah, Nia.
That is say.
What to man kumadum? Namo go here.
Ya kwa kwatna anti adwa ho kakra.
Hey, onu kura me hu na cho.
Sa.
I say be pemre pa na me kosra no.
Na osere ni be ku e.
Oh, mo ni abako afu. O mba me kan chom se mu ba.
Ya hu si yo.
Yo.
Ni e di nyame ja.
Yo. Odo man kuma ni mo.
Osei, have you asked your father why he's always shouting on you?
My mother tells me Beku is my half brother.
Maybe that is why your father loves him more.
What makes me sad is that my father has told him he will inherit more than half his property.
Kai! What is the meaning of that?
Huh? It means I get virtually nothing.
No. Osei, we have to do something.
Like what?
Osei, we have to finish him. Let's go. Osei, let's go. Mommy, my home. Osei, has Brenya been here?
Are you going hunting?
Yes. He was supposed to be coming for me.
Let me go with you. I have some trash to inspect.
But you are doing something.
Oh, I can finish later.
All right, let's go. Jack, and then kusi ni na. Adai. Jack, never ever you.
Kusiao!
Oh, wait. Kuno. What's up? Kuno. What's up? Kuno. What's up? What? So what happened to Amanaka Krakase or Kwemu say? Ozai, please help me. My leg is broken. Oh. Ozai, please help me. Ozai, please. My leg is broken. Ozai, please. Please help me. Ozai, please help me. Ozai, please. Oh, please. Oh, don't go. Oh, please. Ozai, please don't go. Oh, please.
Yeah, mommy, I
Openi, where am I? Aha, one. Ohobato, Mokotwa, Oshabreso. My destiny? Openi, what destiny? Obako, Akosha Oshabrema.
Osei! Get him some water. Osei! What is it? Osei! Osei! What is it? What is the matter? Osei! What is it?
My God is dead.
What are you saying, Osei? What are you saying?
It's true. We went hunting in the forest, and a wild animal attacked us.
My son! My son! Beko! 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 Beko!
Hey, who are you? Hey, where am I? Oh God.
Gentlemen, how did you get here?
Old man, it's a long story. Oh, it's a long story. Who are you?
Let's go. You don't want. Let's go. Let's go. Try.
Who are you?
Bedu, I have just told you that my father has become so sad at Berku's death that I fear he would commit suicide, and all you can think of is girls.
Osei, if your father dies, You will inherit him. Why should you be bothered?
You think so? He has not called me and said anything. But he thinks because Beko's body was never found, he may still be alive.
Beko's body, I'm sure, was dragged away by a wild animal. My friend, I think you don't know what you want. Make up your mind. That is why we eliminated Beko. You took my attention away. Fool.
Bedu, I failed to understand you. Here you are, the chief's son. You can get everything you want, and you pretend as if you are being stabbed.
Shut up.
Bedu, not to say again. She has made it plain to you that she does not love you.
Did she tell you that?
But from all indications...
If you don't shut up, I will break your neck. If you want to remain my friend, don't ever talk such nonsense. Follow me. Osa, how are you?
I'm fine by the grace of the mountain.
Osa, can I help you?
Can I help you?
I can do it alone. Thank you.
Oh.
Leave me alone.
I love you.
You must not touch me when I've not been initiated. Surely as a prince you should know that.
What are you laughing at?
Bedu, why are you making a fool of yourself? Huh?
This girl will surely pay for this.
Usa, how are you?
Hey, I wonder what you will do after your initiation.
Daddy, why are you wet? Hey! Oh! Bedu, stop it! Bedu! Oh! Bedu! Stop it! Bedu! Oh! Bedu, stop!
cry, my daughter. This is not like you. What is it?
But you touched my breast.
Who is that?
Nana Pio's son.
Impossible.
He did, Papa. He touched my breast.
But please, Bedu knows that no man touches a girl in this village, especially when she has not been initiated. Eh? All right, you go inside. Eh? I will wait for your mother to come and then decide what to do. Go inside.
Old man. You've not spoken to me for the past 3 weeks. I want to go home to my village and family. Who are you? Who are you? Papa, I know nothing about what Nana Hima is saying.
Nana Hima, Katanka and his family just want to disgrace my son for nothing. For nothing.
Nana, this is surprising. I know Katanka and his family to be very honorable. How could they fabricate such a story?
Well, but Bedu says he's innocent. He is innocent. Look, I will deal drastically with Katanka and his family.
I'm also surprised. That man and his family hate me. This is not the first time. I have never spoken to Osar before.
Bedu has every right to choose any woman he wants to marry in this village. How would he go about chasing uninitiated girls? Why? This is totally false. Nanaima, this is false. Bedu.
Papa.
Tell Ochami to summon Kantanga before me.
Yes, Papa.
Kantanga, Nana, I want you to explain to me why you and your family are going about peddling lies about my son.
Nana, my daughter will never lie to me.
So who is lying? Is it my son or your daughter? Look, I don't want to hear a word from you nor any member of your family on this issue again. Do you understand?
Nana, my daughter has a witness.
And so what? And so what? I say the case is closed, finished. How can you accuse him without facts? Look, I'm going to sanction your family. You will appear before the court at the next sitting. You.
Nana, I know my daughter will never lie to me.
Kantanga, are you challenging my authority?
Please, Nana, don't sanction my family at your courts.
Go. Go. Don't let me hear a word on this again.
With me.
Let me alone. Let me alone.
Come back here. What do you think you're going to tell me, eh? Huh?
What do you want me to do for you? I say I don't feel like it. Leave me alone.
Do you think I married you just to rot away? I also need to be satisfied by a man. And that man is you. Huh? And I'm still watching me, mom. What's he see me also?
I have to go to see Nana. Then when I come back, we can talk.
Satisfy me, or I will not let you go. Me say, mommy, what's he see me also? Me my own baby.
Okay, let's go inside.
Let's go.
But don't hold me. You don't have to hold me. Leave me alone.
What are you doing? Stop back here. Roger, useless man. You come and meet me here, foolish man.
Emumpa, ene wiase de. Anwonwasem empa wo wiase da. Anti aboa bi betumi a kire onipa da sani awe. Aye huni moja ba kumpo sa sofom.
Ni nyina musu bone.
Wo de bibia wo wiase a wonte ase bia isusun bone. Ha? Na no kura ne poma yirae. Wo se sunsun bone na abefa poma no ko. A che du so mu a na ko ba se na no wi nsanfu oha no. Na oja poma no wo titiefi so.
Me se sunsun bone a.
Asubasiru no.
Mommy anu me sama sunsun bone no. Yeah. Ujano na eba no. Mo se do sinam. Onam bum bum se kura.
If I have decided to come to drink some palm wine, is it something to laugh at?
Boya, ya mamu amabu je la sebedum. No nya pa no bi ele si ovoro. No bi.
Oh.
Bema, asma e bebu sawi. Kamu no kura bi a kire ye. Ne ebeboa wo. What?
What's your question?
Why does your wife keep complaining at night?
You know women, if you do it, they complain. If you don't, they complain.
Isn't it more of you can't do anything at all?
What nonsense are you people
saying?
saying?
Where nonsense yourself? Where nonsense yourself? Hey, me yari na ande ha me. Atadwen ene nkati ada roma. Ene bi gina ho pintin. Kan ye mo a, uya mo a.
Ojam. Ojam, don't make me angry. Don't make me angry.
Opa, kobusa me. Oba ka chiro kwa me faso edoso na na.
Kobusa me me yere. Me fi shake.
Ne kobusa me yere.
Sradia.
Oda no ada say ti.
Wa do sradia.
he also him to on. Shade.
Bedu, have you seen Osa?
For what?
Oh, I think you should have gone to apologize to her.
Nonsense.
I'm sorry. I just hope it is all over and we can get on with our lives.
What do you mean by it is all over?
Bedu,
it is not over until I say it is over.
So all this time, what have you been doing?
I have been keeping it to myself, but now I'm fed up. I am giving out the best part of my young life to a useless old man.
But he treats you well, so there's no need to complain.
What good is all that when I cannot stand proud that Boja also performs? Men's remaining prepared.
Get this.
What for?
Boil it and make sure he drinks it every morning.
How many times will I boil all the herbs in the bush? I want to ask Nana Hima to have our marriage dissolved.
That is not the solution.
In fear nine. Me se pe me hoda. Opese me tena ne ho. David.
Your case is not different from mine.
What's all I want to say? What's your problem?
AJ has kept away from me ever since his son died. He doesn't eat. He doesn't even talk.
Hey!
Buadua, the man has changed.
So, where is he?
I don't know. He walked out to somewhere this morning.
He doesn't go to farm?
Farm?
Abba, what's he doing?
He has gone hunting.
For the past 3 days, all he has done is hunt. And so on fire nam and my da.
Haven't you seen Buadua?
So is this AJ?
You've seen it for yourself. This is what he has become.
Abba, yeah, me cool. Me da si why?
Yo, no man why? Ebe.
Buadiwa, I am in total disagreement with you. I will not support a divorce.
Nana Hima, me na me damage. Na me nim say dey sisi me fa. Asem we dey bro me so.
Ewo mo se wo hwiri bibi die. Nanso woja, woyi na se die se kunu.
Nana Hima, there's something that I'm missing is what is important to me. Nana, don't you have yours? You see, we all need it. Yenina, ye here.
Unu kuna kasa?
Debbie, I feel I'm pursuing Nika.
Eni na si abotre. Na wio aha no am de ama wo no.
Mati. Pacho me se kwa kakra.
Buadiwa. Buadiwa. Buadiwa.
What do you want?
Openi, I'm looking for Bwediwa.
Oh, you are the one who has been feeding her with the wrong ideas.
What are you saying, Openi?
Don't pretend. You say I'm not a man. You show me. Show me which part is not a man. Show me. Show me.
Openi, honestly, I don't know what all this is about. I'm only here to visit my friend.
Well, she has gone to the farm.
Thank you, Openi.
Na eje kura wo hia.
Onso oduebo. Aje ho asa na abusa. Ene de aje wabofu no. Na sema ye mobo papa. Aje na sema ye mobo papa.
Awumawu ya. Awumawu ya papa. Se uba penyi pa wanye du se bewu. Asema to no.
Emom. Ohwema ne doba pa na ne wafiri mu. Nti aje de no kwini na sema ye mobo papa.
Bele ne ma were hokura ne Bwediwa.
Adan. Usrana. Ha? Twini anim da ho aye monche. Ha? Se boja do branda. Na wo de sita o do branda.
She me ye de ho kama me dakoro pe ne mani abre.
Ako wani pa boni papa unye nipa. Ako wa papo.
Hey, ene o yiri hunu amane.
Oda.
Hey. Mati se so oja wale o.
Oye.
Oh, me yere wan. Bwediwa.
Kai, wo ja wale. Ene asma tukusie.
Mo mi enwe bibi.
Sale.
Opanyin tefie ma se fa so fo. Ana so tro mi enu so ye ni ha ne.
Mmom.
Enti mo mi ne Bwediwa nkasa. No ntena boja ho saa.
So beti ase dia.
Obeti ase.
So beti ase nkwa dia. Obeti ase.
Enti ase na ne hia.
Obeti ase.
Hey, come out. Come out and talk to me. If you're a woman, come out and talk to me.
What do you want me to do for you at all? Tell me.
Where is my food?
Food.
Where is my water to bath? You have refused to attend to me, your husband, for 3 days. Then today, the Queen Mother calls me and tells me you want a divorce.
Yes, I want a divorce.
I suppose you have told the whole village that your husband is impotent.
Are you not? If you are not, tell me.
What kind of a woman are you? You really want to disgrace me?
For your information, I have only spoken to the Queen Mother because it is customary in such cases. And if you can't prove yourself as a man, let me tell you, then you are as useless as a stone. Chese wo be man wa shon ho bone.
Bako. Mienu. Yensa. Nine. Yensa. Nine. Enu. Endia. Wow, we. Okwa we mu bi. Na efe okọ. Oh. Woni mo bo. O me no ha ni nwa ntu. Jai. Nje ho wo di nwa we. Jai. Na rim pe ba ntia na o. Obi so. Asantua, do you know what has happened to Bwediwa?
Hey, it's a serious thing. I think her husband will be found guilty.
Who are you to judge? That is why I say tradition is sometimes useless.
If Bwediwa had allowed Openyiboja to taste her, she would have known that he's not working. As for me, I will never marry an old man.
Asantua.
telling you the truth. What about Bedu? I can see he really loves you.
Well, I don't.
Oh, stop being a fool. Dear. Being a prince and heir to the throne of this village, you'll be privileged to... I think there is something wrong with your head. You and I know that once we put on these beads, we cannot touch nor see the nakedness of a man. Neither can they do the same to us. So what are you talking about? You know what? Just allow him to do something small. I can see you are not correct up here. So you are leaving me? It's not okay.
Boja, me pese mbusu asem kakra. Wo yere no, no yare ana.
Certainly, yes. Nana, she was diagnosed of a heart problem. Unfortunately, she died when she had the attack.
Council of Elders, I don't believe what Boja is saying. He had threatened to kill his wife before. The wife reported him to me last night.
Nana, to the best of my knowledge, there had been cordial relationship between Boja and the wife. And I know of the woman's problem.
Nana, if he claims that the wife was killed by heart attack, then we have to consult the fetish priest. He will be in the right position to tell us the truth.
Oh, Nahima, how can Boja kill his own wife? Huh? The woman died through heart attack, as he is saying.
Well, our chairman, we shall invite the chief priest at our next meeting.
Yeah.
Therefore, said your Malcolm for Sieni, or so no penny for when you are so, no Montino.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, boy.
Or therefore, said your Malcolm for Siano. Or say, or penny Boja Tiway, needing a one when him movie. Or therefore, Nanasime Moasun to say, Ayo Penny Boja. Or the Quantiba, Nabon, you know.
Boja, you've heard the chief priest. What have you to say?
Boja, speak. We are waiting for you.
Nana, I swear by your stool, I didn't intend to kill. We had a little misunderstanding, and accidentally my club hit her.
Nana, I told you I don't believe Boja. What is the sense in what he is saying? For lying in this house, I cannot believe him again.
Boja, why did you kill her? Why?
divorce me because I couldn't have sexual intercourse with her. I begged her to rescind her decision, but she insisted. In order to avoid disgrace,
So, Boja, you have really disappointed me. You have.
Boja. Uye ni mbiasini papa. What we know here now? Netina so kunu. Oh, Debbie.
Boja, for lying to this house and for killing your own wife, I sentence you to death. By life. Oshami, call me the warrior.
Is this what you do every day? Why won't you talk to me? Look, I'm sick of you, old man. You are not there for damp, but you won't talk. Look, I'm talking to you, old man. I have a family I must return to. My father is Openyina J. My mother is Mamiama. I come from a Dukrum. I must return to them.
Go back to the village so that they can kill you?
Kill me.
Your brother left you in that pit to die. Do you think he planned it alone? When you go back to that village, your mother and brother will kill you and your father.
Why? Why?
That is what you must find out.
Look, who are you? Who are you?
When you are ready to return, you will find out. You are not ready.
No one will believe you are an old man. You are so strong.
Yes. Years of working in the field have provided me with strength.
I see. So, Penny, were you ever married?
You don't worry. I will tell you everything about myself.
All right. You are still strong. Very strong. Yes.
Your legs is now strong. Very soon, you will be ready to return to your village to tell the truth about your disappearance.
I'm so anxious to go back. Will you go with me? Why? Have I said something wrong?
Bekum, I am a citizen of Edukrum. I was banished.
For what? Penny.
It's already late. Let's go to bed.
Any challenger?
No challenger.
Any challenger?
No challenger.
Any challenger?
No challenger.
Any challenger?
No challenger.
Yes. There is a challenger.
Huh?
Coward. Coward. I'm not a coward. And you know that.
Yes.
Then prove it.
Yes, Bringer. Yes.
Come on, Bringer.
Champion, Breno, champion, Breno, champion, Breno, champion, Breno, champion, Breno, champion, Breno, champion.
say, I'm Yaduma. If you're any pitch now, Bobby, Mango Nibia Brem, why?
Hey, I'm slow.
So there.
Don't you feel sometimes that Beku may not be dead?
Or say, if you think your brother is out there, go and find him. Everyone has forgotten about your brother.
No. Huh? I've been having serious nightmares about him. Coming to tell my father about how we plan to kill him.
Well, I have been having perfect dreams when I sleep. Dreams of making sweet love to Osan. I say, in fact, this is the last time I will tolerate this discussion.
Good day, sir.
Good day. What do you want to say?
Sir, you know why I'm here. We didn't finish our discussion yesterday.
What discussion, Brenya? I've told you I've not been initiated yet.
Does that prevent me from pursuing my dream?
What dreams? Listen, I don't love you. Let's go off now. We should be doing our best in it. Nonsense. What Jimmy on? Kasiabema. Shone Nimbi. Oh, what am I also telling? Up for Jamon. You next time try that on me again and you see what I'll do to you. I'll go and tell my mother and you see. Foolish boy. And then Nim time because yeah.
Hey! What has happened? Where is the portal, sir? Oh? What happened to you?
Mommy, it is Brenya.
Brenya? What has he done?
He touched my buttocks when I was going to the street.
Brenya touched your buttocks? Hey! Brenya! Hey! The boy is playing with fire. He is playing with fire. Don't worry. I'll report him to your father. And not just a Brenya Chimiwa. Don't worry. I'll report him to your father. Come and eat. Come.
Mitijai! Mitijai! Open Mitijai! Mitijai! Ube Brenya no way. Uba hoshini sansani Brenya no way nifa.
Oh, open Kazaga. Asambe.
Uba hoshini sansani kwa sampenyi no. Wanu akoso so meba osatu ewo ntukwa so. Ah, amra onu a woni pefe se osa ye fa ni nsi ho. Me dia me ka kire wo, kasa kire no.
Eso pani kantaka. Me nyonko brabo no. Esa sambia basa. Eso ba ne yetrase. Ne ka ne boko. Ne ne o ye de senye.
Me dia me ka kire wo. Kokwa etwa to na me bo wo no. Se oba no ye sa biem. Ba biem ni wo begira no. Wunni.
Look at my leg.
Leave her alone. She can help herself.
Bedu, We have to help her. Her foot is twisted.
She deserves it. Leave her alone.
You heartless beast.
Don't you dare insult me.
Chimiana.
Ha! What's that, baby? Ha, baby. Ha! Are you talking to me? Ha!
What can you do to me?
Next time. Bedu. Bedu. What? Whoa. Hey, stop playing games. Osa. Osa. Get up. Osa. Huh? Osa. Hey. What have I done?
Bedu, what do we do now? What do we do now?
Shut up and let me think.
There's no need to think. We need action. You, the heir to the throne of this village, has committed murder.
Shut up, you fool! We have to tell my father. He will protect us.
What?
Osa! 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 Who could have done this? Osa! Osa! Osei, I want you to go to Openi Kantanka and tell him Brina has killed his daughter.
Bedu, I can't be part of that.
We are in it together. Let's go.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Look, you killed her.
Papa, it wasn't intentional.
Oh, Duman Kumar. Was anybody around?
Yes, Brenya. He came to meet her dead.
I know what to do. The two of you are going to keep your mouth shut. You understand? We are going to nail Brenya to it. Jose, you are going to be the only witness. You understand? Go and inform Kantanga about it. Go.
What is the noise about?
Please, where's Kantanka? Kantanka!
Jose,
Have you not been trained by your father to address elders with respect?
Please, Opani, I have an important news.
Yes?
Hosea is dead.
Are you crazy, boy?
It is true, Nana. She was killed by Brenya just this very afternoon. I saw it with my naked eyes. Brenya wanted to rape her, and she resisted, and he killed her.
Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Hey, wake up. Hey, yeah, are you dead? See what the back. Hey, yeah, wake up.
Opani,
Medra. You. Opani, come on. Kill.
My son, we want nothing but the truth, please.
Brenya. Ababa wa nuwo no. Ede an anim wo ho. Kamu no kura kire me. What?
Papa, I know nothing about the girl's death. I met her dead. Whoever killed her was trying to rape her.
Brenya, please tell us the truth so that your father will know how to defend you. Please.
Brenya. Sameshrewa. Baby cry. Eti bibia won biara no. Bomode aga kire me. Me hu ni me what pa chewa.
Papa, trust me. I swear by Odumankuma. I know nothing about it.
Brenya. Se asem ya bay. Se want to me at the two afiri mu a emo asotwe na owuo. Eti ni oni mo ho bia no Brenya. Bomode aga kire me. Brenya. Pa chew.
How's Brenya? Huh? How's Brenya?
Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Please don't take him away. Please don't take him away. Please don't take him away. I dare you. Miss Suba. I dare you. Miss Suba.
Nana, me de bibia ni ho betimi asesa madwen a kire me se me ba no oyo widini abofra a kire mo se oba no beto se onipa yewu eda ho a ye de bibia bo ne tirim o kan so amonte ase ade wonum nsem nyina bon won kan nyansa sam so da.
If you were close to me, I would have knocked out your teeth.
Elders, you have to compose yourselves.
Nana, I demand that you sentence Brenya the murderer to death. You were the first to listen to the witnesses.
Na adanse for no so way. Nana ya hwe adanse for no se mo kan no mu yie ebiu.
Mentijai. Asma o kan dia mama dwuma me na kakra. Etu pacha se nipa bi na heda aye kanana. Akuku se nipa na omde hia obanana.
Me se ya madanse for mbra ha se ya.
Ochani.
Nana.
Call me Osei and Bedu now.
You Nana.
Come on.
Yeah.
Yes. Osei is our first witness. Ask what you want, Openg.
Yeah.
Osei. Who do you know? Is you fine?
On the path to the river.
Now why na ode adeno ebo no?
Brenya.
Ode die na ebo no?
His staff.
Nana, me bana ba ni eni. Emumui. Ana moja bia ansu ni ho. Na na ode ansa aba na ebo no. Obi ehwe.
Mitijai. Wakasa. Na di bisa. Na wo say. Edebe na hu yo.
Badu was there. He saw the same thing I saw.
Answer the question.
I still insist he used the staff.
Badu. Emre wudi no koso no. Na wo wo he. Na na mo kwa hen so.
The truth is that we heard some noise up the path as we were walking to the village from the riverside. We rushed to the place where the noise was coming from, and we saw Brenya trying to rape Osa. We hid in the bush to make sure of what we were seeing.
Brenya would have killed them. Brenya has threatened to kill my daughter before for not allowing him to fondle with her breast. Didn't I report him to you? Huh? I believe your son killed my daughter.
Mintijai. Emra semi ba ye obi okoko to amuni biela e dia dance sa kwenti ba e na obi di bond etiko. Krekra nso e womi obi aso sa dia dance se mamu asiso okrum ha obi no na ni gine e che wo bai Brenya no.
It is only Brenya who can hit perfectly like that. So he did it.
Se machire me ba no se ne de aba ekun ene ade a na no che se obi ko di awu ana se obi ko kum obi a na mo de sha me ba no. Nana me ba no onima asem no ho hwe. Eti bunya no mami.
Kwakua na nsi asem ka.
Enough. Chami, ask them to go away. Look, we've wasted precious time for 5 days on this obvious case.
Yeah.
I will give judgment.
Yeah.
Nana Mesebeka, me no nyadwin.
What? Are you challenging my authority?
Therefore, nesab no watch. Nemo masab no untimi hu no kure wom. Ana mesimi ntimi hu no kure wom. Mumma ya makofo panimra no no be hu no kure wasem.
Ah, Mintijai. When you tell no mra ansa na yabuasa se we. Obakuro ye adasidi amafo di fa no no. Kantanka be. Yeso akofeche no. Ama ho asem da ho no eguso ayeka ayenka nwie. Emrantie sumie nu ebebegina ha. Eye osei ene sa badui. Abedi adanse e de atia no. So mkokoto so. Sa wodi sa boni. Na fe hwan biem ene entwe no ansa na eguasa se we. What is that we be that? Therefore, Mr. Mika, we are saying, not to be a financial uncle. As some idea, some of more of Penimla,
Look, I am the highest authority in this village. Yeah. And whatever I say binds.
Yeah.
2 people have given ample evidence that Brenya murdered Osaha.
Yeah.
We are not going to wait for any fetish priest. Brenya will be buried alive immediately.
Yeah.
Nana Mesebeka, ipache wa puntentia. Amano nya agenda.
Mami Quadadi. That's what Makuma. Seminumubia. My yow. Atetia. And then no me. And Kakrui.
Form. Some of friends only by 7 who be there. And a woman could be. That's only by 7 who be. And you do not suffer. And you are Mamusua. I'm not grateful. Jai, not my go be as a mama.
Mantijai, you know our customs and traditions. It was necessary for your son to be executed.
Sure.
So I don't see why you want to resign from this council.
Sure.
Nana, a person with TSS. Menimo Tonquanta, Yapai. I fear being who can look at it. No need to be you.
Hey! What have you done, Nana? What have you done?
What?
The blood of an innocent man cries from the ground to Admankuma. Whom have you killed?
Nana, Umo Kumeba, Brenya, I wouldn't mass of no Hey!
The gods are angry for the shedding of the blood of an innocent man. A curse is on this village. Woe unto this village.
Nana, one. No cry, not dead, you know. A samba Debbie. Debbie, and a mobile. Debbie, Namubu.
What is it, old man? Old man, please, let's rest.
We must hurry. It will take us 2 more days to get to the village.
I'm tired. Can we please rest?
Okay, let's stop for a few minutes rest. Let's go.
You see what your son has brought on us? What are we to do now?
It was Medusa.
Shut up! Keeping bad company makes you a bad boy. Who knows what more you have done? Who knows? Everything is to pass to you when I die. As it is now, I wash my hands off you.
Jay, don't be harsh.
What do you mean, Abba? What do you mean? I should report him to Nana. I wonder where you got this character from. Is he truly my son?
Man kasa botisem na oke kanen chere me.
Waswe.
Jiwe, numi wo kuro no so. When you betimi ayi wo afiri mu. Na jiwe ka ho, when so betimi apam motia no.
has come. Nana says everyone should stay at their homes. No one should go to the farm.
Have you heard? They're all over the place. Oh.
Badu. Badu.
You are a ghost.
Badu, touch me. I'm flesh and bones. Can't you see?
Oh. I thought you were dead.
Don't lose this. It will protect you from the motia. Come on, let me take you home.
No. You have to save your brother, Osei. I was to meet him under the big tree in the middle of the village.
Oh, God.
Please, the motia will kill him. I can go home myself. Please go and save him.
Okay.
No people are dying in this village. No! Oh. My dear people, we are under serious threat. We are in crisis and we need to fight to redeem ourselves.
Yeah.
As a leader, as a concerned leader, I cannot sit down for my people to suffer. Who will come up and save this, our village, will ascend the throne of this village.
Oh, yes. Where are the heroes of this village? We need you. We need to fight for this village. We need to save this village. This is the time we need you most.
Chabai! Yay! Chabai! Yay! Chabai! Yay! I don't remember waya. Waya! Zelimko! Zelimko! Aye! Chabai! Yay! Chabai! Yay! Waya! Yako! Waya! Yako! Waya! Yako! Waya!
Oduma kuma me do asese wa ma no kura dadie no wa ma busuafo animu angu ase me bai would ye? That's what we know, Yamu. Ah, Mama Jesano.
Papa! 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 Mommy! The money are all over! Run for your life! I'm running for my life!
Papa, it's me back home. Papa. Papa, have this. It will protect you from the pneumonia. I'm coming. Look.
Outside! Outside!
Papa.
Outside!
Come. Where is life? Nanahima, please use this to protect yourselves. Use this. Osei! 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 Oh God! Osei! Osei! Oh! Oh! Osei! Oh! Osei! Osei! Nanabio, the gods are angry with you. Your son Badu killed Osa, and you conspired with him and his friend Osei, and got him sentenced to death. This brought a curse upon this village, and innocent people lost their lives because of you. You don't deserve to be the leader of this village.
Nanabio, you have disgraced yourself and the throne. You were the cause of our problems, yet you kept quiet. You don't deserve to be the king of this village any longer.
Nanyama, we agree with you.
Yes. Nanaima, Council of Elders, I deserve nothing from you but forgiveness.
No.
I did not want to lose my only son. That was why.
So others should die?
Please, forgive me.
Kobio, come on to Waha. Obonya wa yen de achaw. Back when the Roma, we have your how and in every saying name. Yent now, and Mount Yes, he'll be up. One cast on a year, and the two friend years. And now, Refi, some letter no candy to her. So be over what? Never press away in a free son. Oh, sorry for a conyanso. Edward Kunyan man. On the kind.
My people, Nanabio is no longer the king of this village. Beku will be the new king.